Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing the highest impact moments from a YouTube video that will work as a short on TikTok. Trim to 15-60 seconds so you hook viewers immediately. This forces clarity. Once done, export in 16:9 or crop later to 9:16, keeping resolution at least 720p. Make sure you own the content or have permission. Otherwise, use royalty-free music or your original audio. You'll save editing time and avoid copyright strikes by confirming rights before moving on. You then reframe and edit clips specifically for TikTok's vertical feed. Crop to 9:16 or place your 16:9 footage over blurred sidebars so nothing important is lost. Add captions and a bold 1-3-second hook at the start to force attention in the first swipe. Once pacing is tight, layer royalty-free music and normalize audio levels so dialogue stays clear. Make sure transitions are quick and use text overlays to reinforce calls to action. This increases retention and share. You finish by uploading with optimization in mind. Select a trending sound where appropriate, add 3 to 5 specific hashtags, and write a concise call to action in the caption. Once posted, monitor analytics for view-to-watch ratios and iterate on shorter or tighter edits if retention drops. If TikTok rejects audio or you see black bars, re-export with strict 9:16 framing and check bitrate and codec settings. Finally, reshare clips across multiple posts with slight edits to maximize reach.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.